We asked ChatGPT, do UFOs exist? According to ChatGPT, the existence of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, is a subject of debate and remains an unsolved mystery. There have been numerous reports of UFO sightings over the years, and some people believe that these sightings represent evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology beyond our current understanding. However, it is important to note that many reported UFO sightings can be explained by natural phenomena such as weather events, optical illusions, or human-made objects such as drones or aircraft. In other cases, sightings may be the result of hoaxes or misidentifications. While there is no conclusive evidence to prove the existence of UFOs, there have been some credible reports from pilots, military personnel, and other reliable sources. The scientific community remains open to the possibility of discovering evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology, but until more conclusive evidence is gathered, the existence of UFOs remains an unsolved mystery.